everyone, Sakshi here. Welcome back to CivilsCore. We will be solving 3 Constitution MCQs today. Article 1 says, India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. 2 statements on what this signifies. Statement 1 says, the union has resulted out of an agreement between the states. Statement 2 says, the component states have no right to secede from the union. Which are correct? The answer is B. Only statement 2. Statement 1 is wrong, and this is Dr. Ambedkar's rationale. India is called a union of states, not a federation of states, precisely because it did not come together through an agreement among states the way the American Federation did. The union was created by the Constitution itself. Statement 2 is correct. No state has the right to secede from the union. The word union was deliberately chosen to make that absolutely clear. Question 2. 3 statements. Statement 1 says, Article 13(2) provides that the state shall not make any law that abridges fundamental rights under Part 3, and any such law shall be void. Statement 2 says, Article 141 states that all civil and judicial authorities shall act in aid of the Supreme Court. Statement 3 says, Article 144 states that law declared by the Supreme Court is binding on all courts. Which are correct? The answer is A. Only statement 1. Statement 1 on Article 13(2) is perfectly correct, but statements 2 and 3 have a classic article swap. Article 141 is actually about the law declared by the Supreme Court being binding on all courts, and Article 144 is about all civil and judicial authorities acting in aid of the Supreme Court. The descriptions have been swapped between the 2 articles. That is the trap. Last question. Which principle was added to the directive principles of state policy by the 42nd Amendment? Option A is right to work, education and public assistance. Option B is equal pay for equal work. Option C is securing living wage and human conditions of work. Option D is participation of workers in the management of industries. The answer is D. Participation of workers in the management of industries. The 42nd Amendment of 1976 added 3 new directive principles: equal justice and free legal aid, participation of workers in the management of industries, and protection of environment, forests and wildlife. Options A, B and C were already part of the original DPSPs. Only option D was a fresh addition by the 42nd Amendment. Remember those 3 additions clearly. Drop your scores in the comments and we will see you in the next one.